Well, welcome back to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques and our YouTube channel, where we show you shorts of the china that's being listed for sale on the Vintage and Antiques website, which you'll find linked in the description below. Now we're going to show you this very beautiful and elegant piece, very simply decorated but beautifully decorated nonetheless. A Royal Doulton bone china made in England. Covington is the design. Particularly noteworthy is the rich, thick 24 karat gilt edge in really thick markings that they've put around the rim of this quite contemporary designed cake plate. A nice side elevation. As you can see, the handles slightly lift up, so you can easily get your fingers underneath. It's a nice design, this, and it almost lips down, so you've got really nice palpable feel around the edge of this. This beautiful sort of Romanesque, almost olive motif in gilt again runs over the surface, which is incredibly clean, as you can see on the gilt reflection there. It's in very nice condition, not absolute mint. There's the very occasional knife marks I can see, but nothing that's gone through the gilt or the decoration at all. Let's show you the china marks on the rear. Standard Royal Doulton mid to late century crown and lion marks, with the H4966, which is the internal factory pattern reference, and the copyright Doulton and Company Limited, dating this to probably between the 1960s and early 1990s. We can't be any more specific on the production dates for Covington. I don't think there are any records for this one as to when production went from and ended, but it's in fine condition. Oh, where's my focus gone? I'm trying to focus on a white plate. There we go, that's better. Oh, it's gone again. All the measurements will be on the website. Struggling with my autofocus here, coming in and out. I hope that's not making you feel seasick. Let me just, there we go, stabilize it. All the measurements for this particular cake plate will be on the website listing. The description link below will take you through to the Vintage and Antiques website. We've also got a lovely almost slipper bath design. Again, very nice moulding designs they were using in this particular line of Royal Doulton. A sugar basin available in the same pattern and in a superb matching condition to this cake or sandwich serving plate. So do have a browse through on the website if you're looking for a specific piece or other bits, or you're looking for both pieces of Covington Royal Doulton china. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.